Vidya Mirad. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 14 statistics, and today we are going to begin with exercise 14.3 from NCERT. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Now table is given to us in a form of 65 to 85, 85 to 105 till 185 to 205. Number of consumers, that is frequencies, are given to us as 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. Now here to find out median we need cumulative frequency. So I will write cumulative frequency as my next column. So based on frequency, cumulative frequency will be written. 4 will remain as 4. The next cumulative for 85 to 105 will become 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64, and 64 plus 4 is 68. So this 68 is the total of consumers, or sigma Fi will be 68. So you can match your answer with this also. To find out mean, I need Xi. So Xi will be calculated by the monthly consumption or the class intervals, where I can take 65 plus 85 divided by 2. On this I will use it. 85 plus 105 divided by 2, I will get the following Xi. In this, if I see the middle is coming as 135, I can assume it, or I will take it as A. With this A, I can find out Ui. What is Ui? Xi minus A upon H. So Xi I know, I have found out 75, A is 135 and H is 20. 20 is the difference between the class intervals. With this I will find out Fi, Ui, and the total I will do, that comes out to be 7. So this is the table I have made, which will be helpful for me to find out my median, mean and mode. Let's first find out mean. For mean, I know the formula is A plus H into sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi. Now I have all the information with me. A is 135, H is 20, sigma Fi Ui is 7 and sigma Fi is 68. On solving this, I get my mean as 137.06. Let's find out median now. Now for median, I have to choose the class where it follows. Median, I need to know what is sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is 68. So N is 68. So 68 divided by 2 I will do, that comes out to be 34. Where will 34 come? If you see, after 22 and before 42, I will take that class 42. So 125 to 145 becomes my median class, where my frequency is highlighted as 20 and cumulative frequency is one step back, that is 22 in the row of cumulative frequency. Now I will use this information in my formula. L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into H. L is 125, n by 2 comes out to be 34, cumulative frequency is 22, that is before 42, frequency is 20, which is highlighted, and H is also 20. So on this we get 137 as the median. Now let's find out mode. For mode, we need to find out the maximum frequency. In this, the highest frequency is 20. 20 belongs to the model class 125 to 145. Based on this, I know F0 is 13, F1 is 20 and F2 is 14. I know the formula of mode. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is 125 plus 20 minus 13 upon 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20, that is H. On solving this, I found the answer as 135.76 units. So on finding out mean, median and mode information, from the information we get that mean value is greater than median and median value is greater than mode. Question number 2. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Now information is given to us. In the frequency we have x and y, and total frequency is given to us is 60. Median is also given to us as 28.5. Now what we are going to do is, since n is 60, so n upon 2, that is 16 upon 2 will be equal to 30, which belongs to the class interval of 20 to 30, where my frequency will be 20 and cumulative frequency will be one step back, that is 5 plus x. So I will use this information in my formula of median, that is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Median is already given to me in the question, that is 28.5, which is equal to 20 plus n by 2 is 30 and Cf is 5 plus x. So it is minus, so minus 5 minus x upon 20 into 10, which gives me information 8 is equal to x. Now I found out the value of x. I can also find out the value of y by putting the value of x in. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. This is the information I already know. I have found the value of x as 8. So 45 plus 8 is 53. 53 plus y is 60. Y comes out to be 7. Question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Now we are given below 20, below 25, below 30. Like this we have given. Policy holders are also given to us. We will reframe our table as 0 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, like that. If we make it the table, we know total number of policy holders are 100. We have the cumulative frequencies with us. We can find out the frequencies by subtracting from the second to first. When I do that, since my policy holders are 100, so 100 by 2 is 50. So where will 50 come? It will lie in the median class of 35 to 40, where my frequency will be 33 and my cumulative frequency will be 45, that is before 78. So I know my formula, that is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. I have all the information with me. I will put this into the formula, that is 35 plus 50 minus 45 upon 33 into 5. On solving, I get 35.75 years. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Now length in mm is given to us and number of leaves are given to us. We need to find out the median length of the leaves. Now according to the table given to us, it is not in a continuous form. So what we are going to do is, in the lower limit we will subtract and in the upper limit we will add 0.5 to make it a continuous series. So it becomes 117.5 to 126.5. Next will be 126.5 to 135.5 and like this so forth. Frequencies are 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Total is 40. So 40 upon 2 comes out to be 20. Where will it lie 20? Near 29, that is after 17. Next is 29. So my class is, median class comes out to be 144.5 to 153.5. So here my frequency is 12 and cumulative frequency is 17. So I know the formula of the median, L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. L is 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 upon 12 into 9. On solving, I get 146.75 mm, that is the median length of the leaves. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Now lifetime hours are given in 1500 to 2000, which is a gap of 500, and number of lamps are given to us. We need to find out the median for this. Now let's make the table for this. The total is 400, so 400 upon 2 is 200. So 200 according to the cumulative frequency, it will come after 130. So my median class is 3000 to 3500. Frequency is 86 and cumulative frequency becomes 130. Based on this, I will put it into the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. So 3000 plus 200 minus 130 upon 86 into 500. On solving, I get my answer as 3406.98 hours. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of the letters in the surnames. That means we have to find out the median. Find the mean number of letters in the surname. We have to find mean also. Also find the model signs. So we have to find all the three, mean, median and mode, using this table, which is number of letters and number of surnames. Let us find out now. We have the class interval 1 to 4. Now frequencies are given 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. We can find out cumulative frequency, as we will be requiring cumulative frequency for the median. So that comes out to be 6, 36, 76, 92, 96, 100. What is 100? Sigma Fi. The total will be 100. From this we can then find out Xi. Xi is based on our class interval. We can find out, and we can find out Ui. Ui can be taken. Here we need A. A we have assumed as 8.5. Using this we can find out Ui, and after that last column we will do Fi into Ui. So sigma Fi into Ui comes out to be minus 6. Now let us first find out mean. For mean we need to have information of sigma Fi Ui. We need to have the formula of mean as A plus H into sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi. A we have assumed as 8.5, H is 3, that is the difference in the class interval. Sigma Fi Ui is minus 6 and sigma Fi is 100. Based on this we get 8.32 units. Now let's find out median. Now we know total is 100. So 100 by 2 is 50. Now where will 50 lie? We need to check the cumulative frequency, that is after 36 will become our median class, that is 7 to 10. So frequency will become here 40 and 36 will become our cumulative frequency. So we should write all these parameters so that it becomes easier for us to put it into the formula. So the formula for median we know L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. So L is 7, that is the lower class. N by 2 we know is 50. Cf is 36. F is 40 and h is 3. On putting this we got median as 8.05 units. Now let us find out mode. To find out mode, we can see the highest frequency is 40. 40 means it belongs to 7 to 10 model class. So that means my F1 will be 40, my F0 one previous is 30, my F2 will be 16. I know the formula for this, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L will be taken as 7. So 40 minus 30 upon 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. On solving this, I got 7.88 units. Question number 7. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of these students. Now weight is given to us in a form of 40 to 45, 45 to 50. So class interval or class size is 5 over here. Number of students are given to us as 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, like that, and we have to find out median. For median we need to find out their cumulative frequencies. From there we come to know that total is 30. When 30 is there, so 30 upon 2 is 15. That means our median class belongs to 55 to 60, because 15 we have to highlight. 15 comes after 13. So next row highlighted one will become our median class. From this I know frequency will be 6 and cumulative frequency will be 13. Using this, we will put this into the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H. So that is 55 plus 15 minus 13 upon 6 into 5. On solving, I got 56.67 kgs. That becomes my answer. That's all for this exercise, children. Here we have mostly used mean, median, mode. Please remember this formula, write down somewhere, by heart this formula, so that you know what you have to calculate, what you have to find, where cumulative frequency is required, where do you require F0, F1, F2, and where you are going to apply sigma Fi Ui formula. These formulas are very important, which will be helpful while solving your questions. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video till the end. If still you have doubt in any of the parts, you can mention in the comment section, or you can also email me. Thank you so much, children. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you. Goodbye. Take care.